Hey, today we're getting some help from the John Bollinger himself. His lines, to be exact, this indicator, combined with my experience, has let me increase my initial deposit multiple times in literally a few minutes. While I'm looking for new entry points, you guys go take a look at the description and subscribe to my Telegram channel. You're gonna find precise trading signals, secret strategies, and live streams where you can make profits with me. Join right now, you won't regret it. Hello, my dear friends. Today I recalled one of my oldest strategies and thought to myself, why don't I use it anymore? I'm telling you, I used to make a whole bunch of videos dedicated to this strategy. We accelerated our account balances with it multiple times, turning tiny sums into, pretty decent ones. Today we're gonna try to do the same thing. I want to turn my $200 into at least 8,000, and I'm really hoping I will manage to do so. And I'm just glad, we once again get to test an older plan that used to be one of my favorite strategies. Let's see how the Bollinger Bands works on the current market. I'm setting the same good old settings, 22 and 2, saving, and that's it. This is the only indicator we are to work with. And of course, we're going to be using the indicator lines, the upper and lower ones, as potential chart reversal area. That may be a support area, that can be a resistance level just as well. Of course, we're going to be trying to look for extra patterns on the market, which would only strengthen our strategy. So yeah, let's try and repeat the same old result. Enjoy and stay tuned. So guys, let's consider this fresh case, placing the first trade. Meanwhile, by the way, for those who have no idea what kind of indicator this is and how it works exactly, let's quickly watch a short video that I made for you specifically, and I'm sure you'll get it as soon as we watch. So back to the market, around 30 seconds are left until the trade is closed. What can we see here? The market approached the bottom border of our indicator. Recalling some theory, we can tell this is the border of the normal trading range. Thereby, whenever the market breaks out of a normal trading range, it will eventually get back into that range sooner or later. So I hope the market will display some kind of even tiny reaction to the bottom border so that we can get our profit off of it. Yeah, well, the reaction we witnessed wasn't that significant. The next candle is currently appearing green and generally way more appealing. But yeah, not the most confident case out there. Let's carry on. So let's place the second trade right here. The entry point would be the top border this time. The trade is therefore downwards. Besides the indicator signal itself, there is another additional significant factor. We've got this candle with an upward shadow right here, which essentially means there is probably some, important resistance area around here that's, defended, so to say, by sellers. Basically, this large shadow appeared due to sellers taking over the market. And just look, guys, the shadow is indeed huge compared to the candle body. That means that some big sellers are highly interested in this area, so the price isn't intended to rise anytime soon. Let's see how it goes. We got a reaction to the important area, to the top border of the indicator, and as expected, we can now witness this beautiful large red candle that got us $138 of net profit. So guys, the price touched the bottom border of the indicator. Unfortunately, there has yet to be any additional confirming patterns. The only thing that I can note is the high interest area right here. Well, yeah, quite an uncertain one. Nevertheless, I hope we can count on it, because it's possible for the price to display some kind of reaction to that area and the bottom indicator border itself. We don't necessarily need a whole reversal, although the overall tendency is upward, so the chart might as well bounce off of the area and go further, aiming for new heights. I do hope that's the case, because only 15 seconds are left until the deal's expiry. The trade's close, and we're about to earn $184. Amazing, everything went to our plan. Here's a pretty fascinating case too. The mark is real close to the top Bollinger Band border. The chart clearly lacks some candle with an upward shadow. However, even without such candle, we can tell there is a resistance level real close, which the price reversed at last time, by the way. So I'm sure a corrective retracement is to take place anytime soon. Here's the beginning of an already beautiful red candle, by the way. Most importantly, the market ought to stay at this level in the next 30 seconds. So guys, so far we're doing amazing, except for the first trade. Obviously it wasn't that confident. However, it's literally been like 7 minutes or so and we are already close to reaching our goal. I guess there's no point in risking anymore. I think a $130 trade will be enough for us to achieve the desired result of 1,000 on the account balance, which was our initial goal. Let's find a case to finish the session with. So let's place the trade downwards right now. What can we see here? First and foremost, we can clearly tell there's an uptrend. So we are technically trading against the trend. Gotta be careful with that. However, we can also see the trend has been fading recently. Each corrective retracement gets deeper and deeper. Moreover, let me tell you what, the trend seems to have been broken. Cause see, there was this successive low and it was recently successfully updated. We also account for the fact there's first of all a close resistance level and the top border. I'm really hoping to see a beautiful candle appear with an ugly upward shadow. Well, most importantly, we want to see the market keep falling. Even if it's not for that, we will enter again with a covering trade, no big deal, you know, and it's so tense so far. Are you guys curious whether we're getting a profit or not? We got a tiny bit unlucky. It was so close, guys. Well, we're placing a $270 trade downwards right away. If it closes in a profit, we will reach our initial goal. Oh guys, it was so close again. The last trade closed intensely, both the first and the second attempt. However, we did get a little reaction from the market, just like I said in the beginning of the whole thing. The case was pretty risky as we were entering against the trend. It doesn't matter what's coming next anymore, and seizing the moment, I'd like to remind you guys that I'm hosting another free trading session today on my Telegram channel. So if you want to join and trade with me today, follow the link in the description below this video right now. And at this point, I'd like to sum things up a little bit. I only have one thing left to say. This strategy does work. Use it wisely, apply it together with technical analysis, especially levels. Good luck to you guys. Thanks for watching.